Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Substack newsletter, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a team member admin into your Substack publication? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an admin or a team member into your Substack anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that you're going to end up working with a lot of different VAs or assistants, and maybe you want them to help you manage your newsletter in Substack. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Substack publication dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Substack, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add an admin, first here at the top, you're going to click on settings. Okay, once you do that, you see this menu here on the left, and you want to click down here on this button here called team. Okay, once you do that, you see all of the team members and admins you have in your Substack. You can see it's just me. However, to add another one, you're going to click on this invite button. Now, before you do that, you want to be sure to check this right here. So this lets you know the difference between the different team members or admin level accesses that you can add. So choose whichever one applies to that particular assistant. So I'm going to click on invite. Okay, next you're going to go ahead and enter their email address. Now make sure you use the correct email address because they will receive an invitation. They will not become an admin or a team member until they accept that invitation. So I'm going to enter this in off screen. Okay, I entered their information in. I'm going to click on invite. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that person has been added here to a pending admin. Now, once they have accepted it, they're going to jump up here and then you're going to be able to choose their role. But until they accept this invitation, you will not be able to choose their role. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an admin or a team member into your Substack newsletter, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.